Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we're going to be diving into Meshi AI, a tool that is changing the game for 3D design. So if you're into 3D modeling or just curious about 3D, then this tool is for you. Okay guys, so there is an important message I want to share with you at the end of this video. So stick around to find out. Okay guys, so let's go back to our tutorial. So the first feature we'll be looking at is text to 3D feature. The text to 3D feature, all you need to do is just type in your text description, like for example, a humanoid, raptor, dinosaur, and this tool in less than 2 seconds will transform your text to 3D into 3D model. The tool is very fast and reliable. So let me show you. In order to achieve that, you need to come over here and click text to 3D. Then you need to come over here and type in the text prompt. So I'm going to type in humanoid raptor dinosaur. Then the next thing is to click generate. Okay, so the tool has finished generating, and as you can see, this is the results. This is the result of my text prompt. Okay, so the next thing is the image to 3D feature. This feature will enable you to convert your 2D image into 3D just by uploading your 2D image into the platform. Just like the text prompt, this is also very fast. In less than 1 minute, you'll be able to convert your 2D image into 3D. So let me show you how. So now all we need to do is to come over here again. I'm going to double click here. Then I'll go to where my source file is, Raptor. So click this, then import. So the image has been imported. The next thing is to click generate like we did before. So this is what we have generated using our image. I mean, as you can see, this is very okay. So with this tool, you can also rig and animate, your 3D model, your generated 3D model. Then the tool also provide you opportunity to texture your 3D model. So let me show you how you can do that. So in order for us to be able to texture this 3D model, so I need to select one out of them. So let me go for this. And I'll click confirm. So the texture model is opening right now. So as you can see, this is the texture model. So the system has helped us to texture the raptor. I mean, this is not bad. As you can see, Meshi AI is that tool that is changing the game for 3D design. And that is because this tool is quick, it's easy, and it has amazing features. I mean, with just a click of a button, you can see what we have been able to achieve using this tool. So you can check it out for yourself by visiting the website, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video.